In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step how to use TopStack's AI resume tools in 2025. If you've ever sent out dozens of applications and heard nothing back, you'll see why this tool makes such a difference. Hey, it's Erin from StartupWise, and I know firsthand how important a solid resume is, especially in today's job market. Whether you're a founder hiring talent, or someone trying to land a brand new job, resumes are the very first impression. And hey, we've all been there, sending out 20 applications and getting nothing but silence. Most of the time, it's not that you're unqualified, it's just that your resume isn't speaking the same language as the system that screens it. Be sure to watch this video until the end because I'll show you simple tips to help your resume stand out faster. Let's start at the top. What is TopStack? TopStack is an online platform built to help job seekers strengthen their own resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles. Think of an ATS like a filter. Before a recruiter even sees your resume, the system will scan it for keywords, formatting, and its relevance. Resume templates is that TopStack combines AI technology with the input of real recruiters and writers. Okay, but why do AI resume tools even matter? Well, in 2025, most large companies use something called an ATS. Professionals handle the strategy, storytelling, and polish. Think about it this way, AI alone can rewrite your sentences, but it can't always understand your career story. On the other hand, a human writer can tell your story but might miss the algorithmic details recruiters are scanning for. TopStack merges both. That's the hook. Why AI resumes tools matter in 2025. If your resume does not pass the filter, it doesn't matter how amazing your experience is, no human will ever see it. So TopStack's AI tools help you beat that filter. They highlight missing keywords, suggest stronger phrasing, and make sure your formatting matches what hiring systems like to see. It's like running your resume through a cheat sheet before officially submitting it. So instead of wondering, did they even see my application? You can feel confident your resume actually got through. Now let's go step by step through how you actually place an order on TopStack's site. Don't worry, it's really simple and I'll walk you through it. All right, so step one, you are going to go ahead and choose your package. On the order page, you'll see 4 different package levels. Don't stress about which one's best yet. We'll break them down later, but I'll show you exactly how to get through the flow right now. Most people go with standard or professional since employers usually expect both a cover letter and an updated LinkedIn profile. So in this case, let me click the standard package. Step 2, pick your resume type. Next, you'll pick what kind of resume you need. There is professional resume, which is the most common option. There's a federal resume for government roles, and there's a academic CV for research or teaching positions. If you're not sure, stick with professional resume. It works for the majority of jobs. Step 3, you can add extras, which are optional. You can see there are a few add-on options. The expedited turnaround for $95 if you need it quickly. We have the extra resume if you want multiple tailored versions of your resume for $89. And there's an add a phone call with a writer for $25 if you'd like to talk it out instead of just emailing. These aren't required, but they can save you time and give you more flexibility if you're applying across different industries. So in this case, I'm going to click add a call with the writer. Step 4 is upload your information. After that, TopStack asks if you already have a resume. Even if it's outdated, choose yes and upload it. It gives their writers a head start. Then you'll fill in a few details, the types of jobs you're applying for, and links to any specific postings you want them to target. This step is important because it tells the writers exactly how to customize your resume for the roles that you want. So here I'm going to go ahead and put police officer, and if I have a link, no link, click next. Perfect. Step 5, submit and wait for your draft to come in. And here is the best part. You don't have to pay until after you have seen your draft. That's what makes TopStack different from other services. You get to review the resume first, and only if you're happy with it do you move forward with the actual payment. Why this matters for founders too. Now, quick side note for startup founders who might be watching this, you might be thinking, I'm not job hunting, so why do I even care? Here's the thing, even as a founder, you'll sometimes apply for grants, incubators, or accelerator programs, and those applications often require resumes or bios. Having AI optimized, polished documents makes you look more professional to investors and partners. Plus, if you're hiring, understanding how these tools work gives you a peek into how candidates prepare. You'll know which resumes are truly strong versus which ones just look strong on the surface. The importance of keywords. Quick FAQ question: do I need to rewrite my whole resume for every single job? Answer is no. With TopStack, you can just tweak a few keywords to match the job description. Think of it like adding seasoning to food. You don't have to cook a brand new meal every time. You just sprinkle in what's missing. Question: what if I don't have those exact keywords? Answer: you can still highlight transferable skills. For example, if the job asks for data analysis, but you've done reporting or Excel dashboards, the AI then helps you phrase it in a way that matches. The big idea, you don't have to start over for every job. You just adjust your wording so the system ends up recognizing you. And TopStack makes those adjustments obvious. That's the real trap. People are qualified, but they're invisible. And thankfully, with AI tools like this, you become visible again. All right, now that you understand how it works, let's look at pricing because this matters. Here's exactly how TopStack pricing looks in 2025. All right, now here is a quick breakdown of TopStack's pricing. They have a basic package, standard package, and most popular is their professional package, and the best guarantee to land an opportunity is their personal recruiter package. So starting off with basic package, it is $189 or 4 payments of $47 with Klarna. You could pay after, again, the first draft is viewed, so you can officially see if you do like the resume. It does come with a professional resume, but it doesn't come with a cover letter, LinkedIn profile, or consulting. So if you're just looking for a resume, go for the basic package. For the second package, there's a standard package for $249 or as low as $23 a month with Affirm. Again, paying after the first draft. The main difference between this one and the basic package is it does come with a cover letter. A lot of jobs now require cover letters in order to differentiate yourself from other applicants. So it's optional, but it does help you set yourself apart from other applicants. And the most popular and professional package is the professional package. It comes with a LinkedIn profile. On top of that, you do get their most experienced writers, a 60-day interview guarantee. So even if you're creating a new resume, if you don't land an interview, it's an issue. So they do guarantee you a 60-day interview and phone and email communication, and also a US-based resume writer. This is well worth the difference if you are looking to really put yourself out there in the professional field, especially since LinkedIn is now the social media for job hunting, and it helps employers kind of put your professionalism before they officially, read into your resume. Then the best guarantee is the personal recruiter. I think this is personally insane because they not only offer employment guarantee, they have a dedicated personal recruiter manage every single step of your job search. So they'll update your resume, your LinkedIn, source for jobs that you're interested in, and then apply to those jobs, provide interview prep, and then also if you do land an offer, they help you negotiate your offer. So let's say they offer you $20 at McDonald's and you actually want 25. They're going to teach you those skills to negotiate to get that pay range a little bit higher, and you can take these negotiation tactics with you later on in the future, because it's not only the job that you're currently looking for now, these skills stick with you in the long haul. So why is pricing important here? Because as a job seeker, you're basically investing in speed. the more support that you get, the faster you end up landing those interviews. And time saved in a job search is money saved into your bank account. Why use TopStack over free tools? Now let's address a common question. Why should we pay for TopStack when there are free AI resume scanners out there? You see, most free tools just flag problems, but TopStack goes further. It actually rewrites your resume, and if you upgrade, it also layers in human feedback too. So TopStack bridges the gap by not only flagging issues, but also fixing them. And if you add the human review option, you're basically getting a recruiter in your corner. That's not something free tools give you. So that's how you use TopStack's AI resume tools in 2025, step by step. We covered what TopStack is, why AI resume tools matter, how the process works, why keywords are crucial, and of course, the pricing options. If you're serious about getting your resume noticed and landing interviews faster, check out the link below, startupwise.com/TopStackResume. This is Erin from StartupWise. Thanks so much for watching. And before I go, here's a quick note. Some of the links I share are affiliate links. That means if you decide to sign up, I may earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and lets me keep making free videos like this. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what role you're applying for this year. And seriously, if you've been doubting yourself, don't. The system can feel unfair, but it's beatable. With the right tweaks and tools like TopStack, you can finally get noticed. I'll see you in the next video.